everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your PS5 controller to your Google Pixel phone, and this is easy to do. Let's swipe on down from the top and then go to Settings on the bottom, then go to Connected Devices, go to Pair New Device. Then we want to go to our PS5 controller and make sure it's turned off. If it's turned on, just hold down the PlayStation button right here for like 10 seconds, so it'll turn it off. Hold down the share button and the PlayStation button at the same time. This will put it into the Bluetooth pairing mode. And this should show up on here. Here's the DualSense wireless controller. Just tap on this. And it should say connect. So we can just connect. And we can go to pair. And this is now connected. It looks like it has a cursor on here for some reason. Strange, from the touchpad. So you can go into the controller right here and forget it if you want to disconnect it now. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.